Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn Handwriting. Let's practice English handwriting. Our topic today is ABC. When you were in kindergarten, or maybe before that, you learned your ABCs. Letters are the building blocks for words. Words are the building blocks for sentences. We use sentences to communicate our thoughts and feelings. Each letter of the alphabet has at least one sound. Some letters have more than one sound. There are 26 letters in our alphabet. Many of our letters came from alphabets made many years ago in foreign countries. In fact, the word alphabet comes from two words. Alpha and beta or beta, which are the first two letters in the Greek alphabet. Hope this was informative. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe.